This, I don't know when this video is going to go out. First of all, I'll just say that. This is going to be a little bit in the making. This is April 27th, 26th. And I bought a car. It's either for my friend, it's going to be for him. But I don't know if I'm going to give it to him or sell it to him for what I have into it. But it's, this one's, it's going to, I'll just stop talking. It was picked up as an abandoned vehicle, and I happened to be in the right place at the right time to offer some money for it. It's what you would have paid, and it's right there. It's an 83 or 84. I think it's an 84 because of it's a split year, and it's a 318i. And today we're going to dig into it and see how bad it really is. Here it is. That's pretty much what I got. I think what I'm going to end up doing, and the videos might come out differently because this is a big old project that's in my head. I think I'm going to clean it up a little bit, take this junk off the headlights, and clean it up and give it to a friend. Why? Well, I saw this car one day and was like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. Took pictures of it, showed it to him. He's a BMW guy. And he was like, ooh, I want that so bad. He went and left a note on it. And then the next day, the car got towed. Never saw it again until now. Don't know what that is. But yeah, this car's, I'm not guessing. I know, it's pretty rough. And I know what you're thinking. Collapsed suspension or something. Apparently not. Apparently it has bags in the rear. Don't know about the front or anything like that. Oh, it's pretty gross. 129,000 miles. The hood popper is right there. Seats aren't too bad. You know, it doesn't look like it's in that bad a shape. That's missing. This one's still here. Cool. The back seat's tore up. I can see out the back. Someone broke the taillight. Huh. And it has a roof rack that, oh gosh, that's mounted in through everything. So, I really don't know about old BMWs. Is there a trunk release? Possibly. I'll find it later or something. Dig through it some more. I did know that about it. The hood will not stay. That little dilly bopper's bad. That's a tiny radiator. You know, everything in this seems mostly okay. The intake's gone. Obviously, someone wiped that down. There's the coil. It seems covered. Oh, geez, there's some rust through over there. That's the good luck rub. Oh, that's the battery tray. So it's to be expected that there would be rust there. Otherwise, it doesn't seem too bad. It really looks like someone tried to take care of this car and really liked it. But why would it be abandoned? You know, a vehicle has to sit for so long in a certain place for it to be picked up for an abandoned vehicle. Crown Royal. Ooh, yeah. Seals? No, dolphins. Wood. There was a lot of wood on this car, too. This roof rack had a big old chunk of wood on it. And at first the guy was like, what, you want the wood? And I'm like, Ha ha ha. No, it was a joke too, by the way. But he actually did say that. That's more wood. So I'm gonna take a look off camera, see what I can find, see if I can find a key, the trunk. Ooh, let's look at this real quick. Excuse me. All right. I don't know. Pull. Come on, trunk. Well, can't get the trunk open either. So that's why I was gonna look for a key, because either that's locked or something, or the person punched a hole in the taillight to get a key or get the trunk open. So those wheels are hideous, but I like how they look on this, just because don't want to be rude or anything. This car in its current shape looks pretty hideous, but there's something about it. Even I was like, I flock to beaters. Yeah, I flock to beaters. I like it too. Just like the look. Anyways, okay, I'm done talking. I'm gonna take a look. So the abandoned vehicle or vehicle paperwork was in it, and so was a couple other things. There's nothing too exciting in the car itself, except it looks like, and I already went through it. There we go. The back. Don't know why someone decided to, okay, you can't see it from over here, tear the back seat out and then cut the, I guess it'd be a firewall between the back of the back seat and the trunk, but they did. Like, why? Is it because you couldn't get something to fit in there? You have a roof rack. Never mind that. Sometimes you just don't question that. But I will question, does it actually have airbags? And maybe do they actually work? There's a spring in the trunk, but of course you can't get the trunk open, but there's a spring in there. I do know that. I'm gonna take a look. Firestone Ride Right air helper springs. Is this because you were hauling a whole bunch of wood? Like, that's an honest question. This thing had so much wood in it. But does that also mean that you took the springs out to do airbags? Moment of truth. We're going upside down. I can't see. So that'll be it for this today. We're gonna come back to it and have a big old reveal, get the paperwork done. I had to get the title in my name before I put this video out, just because I wanted it to officially be mine. Stuff like that. Thank you for watching. This is an interesting car. Have a good one.